In this lesson, I will take you through the process of buying an NFT, so you see exactly several lessons that I have not shown you because I have not been paying for buying NFTs. This will be a valuable lesson which you will understand exactly the entire process of what you're doing when you're listing NFTs on OpenSea. When you list an NFT on OpenSea, what you're really doing is what they call lazy minting. You're not really creating the NFT. You're basically creating the possibility of the NFT. The NFT gets minted the moment that somebody makes a purchase, and that buyer actually pays for the minting process. So that is why you're able to create all these NFTs, list them for sale, but you don't have to pay to create the NFT. The NFT gets created the moment someone pays for that NFT that you presented, and then it gets minted and they receive the token. They create the NFT the moment that they actually make the purchase from you. Until then, it's merely a concept inside OpenSea. You're listing the NFT as a potential NFT, but the NFT itself gets minted by the buyer when they make the purchase. That's why you don't have to pay every single time to mint an NFT. Let me take you through that process because I actually identified an NFT that I want to buy. The NFT I do want to buy is actually this piece here called Sulfur, which is actually a limited edition NFT. There's only going to be 6 pieces of them. Notice that these are unique pieces. There's only one of these, one of these, one of these. This one actually has 6 units. Now, these 6 units are actually what are known as being semi-fungible because it's fungible, but there's a limited edition of them. So I wanted to let you know that because if you create a limited edition series where there's more than one, sometimes that's referred to as being semi-fungible. Each one of these is identical, but they're unique. There's only a total of 6 of them. So right now what I'm going to do is I am going to buy this piece right now. And what you're going to see is that it actually includes some unlockable content. And there's a price for it. It's 0.014 Ether, $49.19. You're going to see right now that I am going to make this purchase, and in the process I will also be presented with a warning. That warning is actually a disclaimer that the item has not been reviewed by OpenSea. This is done standard by OpenSea because it's the way that they're able to disclaim themselves to be able to make sure that nobody is actually putting counterfeit information inside. So this is standard inside all OpenSeas when you're actually buying an NFT. So do not be concerned about this as I go through this process. So I will now be buying it. One thing you're going to be able to see from this is that this is not the total price. I am going to be paying for the minting of this item. I want this item. It's a very special deal to me. My name is George Levy, and having the rabbi actually the scribe or Sofer actually copying the Torah to me is a very, very personal piece, and especially if it's coming from Lucy Henriquez, who's the same artist who created this Nuda sobre el lienzo, which I told you. So I'm going to purchase this piece, and now it's going to ask me if I want to pay for this. Notice that I'm going to have to pay gas for this. This is the process of me minting this lazy mint of Sofer into a real token. So I will now be turning this into an NFT token that I'll be able to receive. And furthermore, if I want to sell it on OpenSea, I can, but I can also take that same asset and actually I can sell it on other marketplaces. As of this moment, I don't own it yet, so I need to buy it. And to do so, I have to pay the fee to be able to mint it. So I'm going to confirm this. I'm doing the transaction. I will be waiting until the transaction completes. The transaction has completed. I will now go back to all the items and I will be the owner of that one specific asset. I'll then be able to go to my profile and I'll be able to see that inside the assets that I own, I have Sulfur. And if I wish, I can actually list the item for sale as I currently own the NFT token for this. And I could also sell it if I want in another marketplace such as Rarible or Mintable or any other one.